Oh, this is Cyberjunk. I'm going to talk about Rotoval. This is the ultimate cleaning machine.
Hi, my name is Cliff Munson, president of Rotovac Corporation in Seattle, Washington. We're the manufacturer of a revolutionary new carpet cleaning machine called the Rotovac Power Wand. If you're looking for a great business opportunity, something that will allow you to be your own boss, to set your own hours, and earn $50 to $150 an hour, either part-time or full-time, well, the Rotovac just may be the opportunity that you've been looking for.
If you're thinking about carpet cleaning, I'd say it's a great job, either full-time or part-time.
I love being my own boss because nobody controls my time.
As a carpet cleaner today, I average $75 to $100 an hour.
I'm averaging carpet cleaning these days in between $120 to $150 an hour.
With carpet cleaning, you've always got money. You're not waiting until Friday or waiting every 2 weeks or once a month to get your check. It's a paycheck every day.
Just look around and you'll see that there's carpet practically everywhere. Homes, condos, apartments, commercial buildings, hotels, restaurants. It is a huge market. And as you know, carpet is very expensive. In fact, carpet is the second largest investment in the average American household, right behind the family car. And because carpet does play such a major role in the appearance of any room, it's easy to see why people want the very best cleaning possible for their carpet.
The way my customers react to the Rotovac cleaning is the way a little kid reacts when he opens up a present at Christmas time.
The Rotovac is the main reason why I'm able to maintain the business that I have and acquire new business.
The Rotovac's very important to making sure that you can get the carpet as clean as possible.
Most of the professional carpet cleaners today use hot water extraction, also known as steam cleaning. Hot water extraction is widely recognized as the best method available for deep cleaning a carpet. Here's how it works. The carpet cleaner uses either a truck-mounted extractor or a portable extractor that is brought into the job site. He then attaches a manual cleaning tool called a scrub wand. The wand has one or more spray jets to inject the cleaning solution into the carpet and a 12-inch vacuum slot to vacuum it back out. The key to doing a good job with the wand is to put some serious muscle behind it. To get a carpet clean, you need to make multiple cleaning passes while bearing down on the wand. The dirtier the carpet, the more cleaning passes you need to make. And I tell you what, scrubbing a wand back and forth all day is really hard labor. Here's why the new Rotovac Power Wand is so much better. Rather than manually scrubbing a wand back and forth over the carpet, wearing yourself out, and only cleaning from two directions, the Rotovac has dual high-torque gear motors that supply all the muscle for you. The high-torque motors power these two stainless steel cleaning heads in a rotary motion over the carpet at 250 RPM. Each cleaning head has 3 vacuum slots and 3 spray jets. So the Rotovac is spraying, scrubbing, and vacuuming simultaneously with hundreds of cleaning passes from every different direction, rather than just back and forth a few times like a manual wand.
When you're spending an entire day cleaning carpet with the wand, you can go home tired.
It's fine for maybe the first 15-20 minutes, but as the day goes on, you're more and more tired, your arms are tired, you're stooping over more.
Just pushing that one wand, is one rotation back and forward, The Rotovac has dual heads, spins 250 rotations per minute in each direction.
It does not have stress and strain on you. It's very easy. Really makes the operation much easier to do.
To demonstrate just how much better the Rotovac cleans than a regular wand, we've taken this piece of white carpet and dragged it around out in the street in the parking lot and got it pretty filthy with some street soot. Now this stuff is really stubborn to get out, but it's a good demonstration to show you the difference in the cleaning. So what I'm going to do is first I'm going to clean one section of this carpet with a regular wand for about 20 seconds or so. Then I'm going to clean right next to it with the Rotovac for a direct side-by-side comparison. Now as you can see, when I'm cleaning with this wand, you have to be hunched over and scrubbing back and forth. It's pretty hard work. Now the carpet's coming clear, but I still see a lot of shadowing. Okay, I'm going to hook up the Rotovac. Keep in mind I'm hooked up to the same portable extractor using the exact same chemicals.
The only thing different is more smaller.
Now, as you can see, when I'm cleaning with the Rotovac, I'm standing with my back straight and letting the machine do the work with one hand. It's much easier than hunching over and scrubbing with a wand. The dirtier the carpet, the slower you move the machine and let it do the work for you.
Rotovac gives me the greatest competitive edge ever because carpet cleaners that don't have it can't clean as efficiently as me.
As you can see, the Rotovac is a great cleaning tool. In addition, it's also a fantastic sales and marketing tool. When your customers see how you're able to restore their carpets with the Rotovac, they'll spread the word. And word-of-mouth referrals are by far the best way to grow your business.
Word of mouth is the best advertising a person can get. You do a good job for your friends and neighbors, your relatives, and they pass the word around.
The referrals these days are so huge because if you do good work, people are going to refer you to their friends, people are going to refer you to their family, and that's key. Thank you, Rotovac.
The Rotovac Business Startup Package includes everything that you'll need to get your business up and running from day one. Here's what the package includes: the patented Rotovac Power Wand, a dual-vac high-powered portable extractor, 25 feet of vacuum and solution hose, a dual-jet S-bend stainless steel cleaning wand, a 4-inch stainless steel upholstery cleaning tool, lifetime toll-free technical support, along with Rotovac's exclusive business startup marketing plan, which shows you how to get your business going and how to keep it growing. All this with our 30-day money-back trial period for only $29.95 with no franchise fees. So if you're ready to take advantage of this great business opportunity, give us a call at Rotovac and we'll help you on your way.
If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share this video with everyone else about Rotovac, Ultimate Clean Machine, another moneymaker for full-time or part-time. And I hope to see you guys again next time. Goodbye.